In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Omnisend email marketing and SMS on Shopify. If you're running a Shopify store, using an effective marketing platform like Omnisend can be a game changer, offering you a seamless way to connect with your customers through emails and SMS. Let's walk through the installation process step by step to make sure you get it up and running smoothly on your site. To begin, make sure you're already logged into your Shopify admin account. Now, on the left side of your dashboard, you'll see a panel of various options. Locate and click on Apps. This section is essentially your gateway to enhancing the functionality of your Shopify store with various tools and services. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll need to look for the search bar. Enter Omnisend and press Enter. It should bring up the Omnisend app among the search results. When you see it, click on it to visit its dedicated app page. On the Omnisend app page, you'll see a button that says Install. Go ahead and click it. Installation typically should take just a few moments. Shopify will require permission to install any app for security reasons, so simply confirm the installation when prompted. Once Omnisend is installed, it will automatically open up on your dashboard. This seamless integration is part of what makes Shopify great for business owners looking to expand their functionalities. Now that you have Omnisend open on your dashboard, the next steps will involve following their guided setup process to implement it into your store. Omnisend will lead you through its onboarding process step by step. This may include connecting your email and phone number, setting up your first campaign, or perhaps importing your customer list. Whatever it demands, just follow the instructions carefully. Don't rush through this initial setup, as getting Omnisend properly configured to match your specific needs will pay off exponentially with more targeted and effective marketing communications down the line. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. You've successfully installed Omnisend email marketing and SMS on your Shopify store. Take some time to explore its features and discover how it can help enhance your marketing efforts through automation and insightful data analytics. Remember, the more you leverage Omnisend's features, the more you can nurture relationships with your customers and potentially increase your revenue. With this tool now at your disposal, you're well on your way to taking your customer engagement to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!